Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at SquaredFinancial. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. SquaredFinancial is an award-winning CFD broker that was founded in 2005 in Cyprus, and they are regulated by the Financial Services Authority of Seychelles. By opening an account with SquaredFinancial, you will be able to trade more than 10,000 CFDs on forex pairs, metals, stocks, indices, energies, futures and cryptocurrencies. And you can trade on a no-deposit, commission-free account with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. If you are new to the trading scene, all you need to do is open a demo account and head over to the educational section of the website to learn the basics of trading, and we highly recommend this broker for beginners. The SquaredFinancial website is easy to use, and you can find all the information you need about their accounts, platforms, tools, and the instruments they offer by choosing an option from the menu bar. The landing page highlights some of the key features of trading with them, and you will find direct links to the different instruments offered on this page. They also provide a comparison of the accounts you can open with them, along with their payment methods and awards listed towards the bottom of the homepage. To find out more about the instruments you can trade with SquaredFinancial, simply click on the Trading tab and choose an instrument from the drop-down menu. SquaredFinancial currently offers more than 40 tradable forex pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0 pips. They also offer a wide range of metals, stocks, indices, energies, futures and cryptocurrencies, with over 10,000 instruments to choose from. The SquaredFinancial customer support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can contact them via email, live chat, or telephonically. You can also submit a web ticket directly from the homepage and request a callback if you need it. To view their contact details, click on the About Us tab and select the Contact Us option. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to see if any of your questions have already been answered, and you can find this section by heading over to the Learn tab. SquaredFinancial's accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader trading platforms, which are available as a desktop platform, a mobile application, or as a web trader interface. MetaTrader 4 and 5 are currently ranking amongst the most popular trading platforms in the world. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005, and MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010. These platforms are renowned for their advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor functionality, and algorithmic trading support. They can also be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, 30 built-in indicators, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and much more. With MetaTrader 5, you get access to advanced platform customization, the optimized processing of expert advisors and indicators, access to smart trader tools and AutoChartist, basic tools for graphic analysis, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, and much more. The MetaTrader platforms offer a high level of customizability and security, and are also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. In addition to the MetaTrader tools, SquaredFinancial also provides several trading calculators that you can use to calculate your profits, margin, pips, and swap. And there is also an investment calculator and a currency converter. To find out more information about the tools and platforms offered by SquaredFinancial, click on the Platforms tab or the Tools tab. SquaredFinancial offers two types of trading accounts, and they also give their clients the option to use demo accounts and swap-free accounts. Both accounts are market execution accounts and allow a maximum leverage of 1 to 500. You will be able to connect your account to the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, and both accounts can be used for automated trading. If it is your first time trading and you are looking for a low-risk account, you can open either a demo account or a Squared Pro account. The Squared Pro account is a commission-free account that requires no minimum deposit, and the spreads on this account start from 1.2 pips. If you are looking for an account with tighter spreads and you are willing to pay a small commission fee, we recommend opening the Squared Elite account. This professional account offers spreads starting as low as 0 pips and requires a minimum deposit of at least $5,000. We recommend opening a demo account first to see which account you prefer the most, whether you're a new client or a beginner. Demo accounts will give you an opportunity to test out the tools and features of different accounts with zero risks using virtual currency in a simulated market environment. SquaredFinancial also offers swap-free accounts, and no interest or rollover fees are charged on overnight positions with this account. However, this option is only available to Muslim clients. Creating an account with SquaredFinancial may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is simple and straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the SquaredFinancial homepage, and then click on the Register Now button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. After your account has been verified, you can simply log in to the client portal, and once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. After your account is set up and ready, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with SquaredFinancial. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the dashboard, a nice and simple one-click trading window and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational resources online or over on the MetaTrader website to help you get started with the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. If you are a first-time trader, you will need to learn the basics of trading as well as familiarizing yourself with all the terms used before you open a real account. A good place to start as a beginner would be the introductory course provided. You can find this course by heading over to the educational section of the website, where you will find Education on Demand. And this course will teach you about support and resistance levels, how to read charts and trend lines, and everything else you would need to know about trading. Once you have completed this course, we would recommend heading over to their news feeds and articles, and you can keep an eye on their economic calendar and analyst views to make sure you stay in the loop. You can also tune into the web TV channel for expert insights into the markets. As a client, you will also receive daily and weekly insights and trading signals, and you can find market insights, educational articles, trading guides, and the FAQ section under the Learn tab. Over the years this broker has been in operation, SquaredFinancial have won many awards, and they have been awarded for being the best stock provider, the best broker in Europe, and for being one of the best brokers to trade crypto CFDs with. Overall, with SquaredFinancial, you can enjoy low-cost, low-risk, commission-free trading on the MetaTrader platforms. Whether you're a professional trader looking for tight spreads and advanced trading tools, trade automation, or you are trading for the first time and you need a broker you can trust with plenty of educational resources, SquaredFinancial has got what you need. If you are interested, be sure to open your account today and diversify your portfolio with more than 10,000 instruments to choose from. And that is our overview of SquaredFinancial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.